All right, guys, I am gonna show you how to make one of my favorite cocktails. Now, this one is perfect during the holidays. A, because it's full of antioxidants, which you may need while you're like partying. B, it's got those holiday colors happening. So let me show you how to make a pomegranate mojito. Okay, so first thing we need is a little bit of mint. And this stuff is gorge. We're gonna use about 5 or 6 leaves. Throw it in the bottom of a glass, and then you're gonna add a little bit of simple syrup, which you can buy at the store, but simple syrup is sugar and water, equal parts. So it is not tough to make. And then you're gonna muddle it together. Now, if you're one of the cool kids, you have a muddler. And if you don't, that's okay too. But really what we're doing is releasing the mint oil in the simple syrup. That's it. So, and you don't want to like mash the mint up, right? We're not making pesto, okay? We're just releasing the mint oil into the syrup. Okay. Then, because we're making a pomegranate mojito, we need some pomegranate arils. Now, arils is the correct name for those kernels that are inside the fruit. So some people call them pomegranate seeds. The correct name for those is aril. But if you want to call them pomegranate seeds, you can. I won't judge you. And my family grows pomegranates, and this is how almost all pomegranate farmers get arils out of the fruit. You get a bowl, you cut the pomegranate in half this way. This is called the crown. So you cut it across, you turn it over, and you smack it. And then it releases arils. So I'm not gonna do all of this, I'm just gonna do enough to get us the drink, but if you proceeded for the rest of the fruit, that's how you would do it. We're gonna take a little bit of fresh pomegranate juice, about 1 ounce, add it to that. Then you're gonna add rum. I do 2 ounces. You do what works for you. And we're gonna add some ice. We're gonna fill with club soda. So most mojitos we'd garnish with more mint and a lime, but these are actually finger limes. They're also called caviar limes, and I'm gonna show you why. The lime, look at that. Can you see that? It actually squeezes out and looks like caviar. And these are grown in California, throughout Southern California. And pomegranate arils, because they have the seed in them, they're a little bit crunchy. So I'm totally fine with using the caviar lime here too, because that has a little bit of crunch, but people should be expecting it, right? Because they see the arils in there. So, and we'll put a few of our arils in there and a sprig of mint. So easy and so fun. Cheers, pomegranate mojito. Now you make one too.